Today, I'm gonna make a video tutorial with Amara Princess Bag products. Do you want to know what's inside Amara Princess Bag products? Okay, first we gotta open it first. Ta-da! Amara Princess Bag. Do you want to know what's inside it? Okay, let's open it. Wow, so many colors. There is eyeshadows over here. There is 8 colors. Over here we have lipstick and lip gloss. They both have 2 colors. Over here we have compact powder, the white one over here that has more space than the other. This is the blush. After you wear the compact powder, you wear the blush. There are 2 colors. This is the puff and this is the applicator. Oh, and I almost forgot one thing. Amara Princess Bag has a mirror, a tiny mini mirror. It's helpful just in case you want to get your makeup perfectly and not messy at all. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the makeup, but I have to use the beauty kit first so my body or my hair doesn't get messy. This is the bandana. The bandana is for the hair. This is the cape for my body so nothing like spilled into my body or get messy. Now let's do the makeup. First, starting with the compact powder, grab the puff, tap it like this, and now put it in your face. Make sure you don't put it in the whole of your body, like not to this, to that, but only in face, okay? Now I'm finished with the compact powder. Let's now use the blush on. Any color you want. Just like the compact powder, just tap once. Maybe not too many. And just do this. Just on your cheeks. There, just like that. Now let's do the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the number 2 pink. Done! Let's now wear the lipstick and the lip gloss. I am choosing the bright pink. They're all done. Wearing the lip gloss is the same like wearing the lipstick. Remember that? So, makeup tutorial with Amara Princess Bag products is done.